Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix packet burst error in Highguard game. So many users are facing this kind of issue now. So if you are also into the same situation and looking for fixes, just go through the methods discussed here. The very first method what you need to do is to check the server status of the game. So you are suggested to visit its official community channels like Discord or Twitter or any other from where you can get the latest informations about the server status. If it's down, you have to wait for some time and then try to play the game. Next method is to restart your PC once. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your system restarts, now try to launch the game and then check if the error is resolved or not. If not, next is to check internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you're using Wi-Fi, then restart your router once and then check for the error. Also suggested to use mobile data if using Wi-Fi or do vice versa and then check if the error you are coming across is resolved or not. If not, next is to disable VPN. So many users are using VPN services. So if you are also using VPN, you are suggested to disable them and after that try to launch the game and check that the packet burst issue is resolved or not in the game. If not, and then the final solution what you need to do is to contact support team. So if you are facing the same issue continuously, then you are suggested to take help from the support team. Obviously they will try to resolve it from their end, explain whatever the issue you are coming across and tell them the issue and hopefully the support team will try to resolve it, or it's simply suggested to wait for some time and then try to launch the game and then check if the error is fixed or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.